Hey, welcome home. Come here and give me a hug. I hope work was as uneventful as mine was today. I beat you home today somehow, so I started dinner already. Yes, I know that we planned to order out today, but my mortal enemy, boredom, struck. So, now we are having pizza, and I'll probably make cheesecake at some point, because I have a craving like no other right now. Cheese in all forms. I must feast. Yeah, seafood will have to wait for another day. Sorry. Oh man, looking through the front window, that is a very angry looking sky. I just noticed that. Knew it was going to be raining today, and it has started already, but it looks like we are going to need submarines in the morning. I'm glad we moved. Being in the flood zone for those few years was always nerve-wracking. No, I don't like storms in general. Never really have, but you knew that already. Sure, we are inside, but not just some silly fear. Help. Lightning. Help. What? Metal. Metal room. Yes. I'm okay. I'm alright. I'm inside. I'm safe. I'm good. Just hold me tighter. Please. Thank you. I thought I was past this. A deep-rooted fear I thought I shook off finally. Just keep holding me while I talk, okay? You like story time with Gramps anyway, so. Sorry. Yeah, I'll sit down. It happened when I was a mere 5 years old. Me, Mom, and Dad, and our dog were at the park doing... don't remember everything perfectly. Parts of that day are hazy for reasons you will learn. So we were all at the park, and Dad and Mom were trusting me with the dog's leash for one of the rare times they let little me do so. For the first hour of me and the dog running basically laps, me and him had all of the energy. After that, we were collected by Mom and Dad. I run up and hug Dad's leg, then look up and promptly... I looked up and saw Dad's hair was all over the place. Think of a cat's tail when they get scared, all poofed and pointed in every direction you can think of. I pointed at it and laughed, and I recall hearing Mom giggle before everything went white. Something was very loud, and then I couldn't see anything or hear anything, and the next thing that I can remember is feeling something rubbing against me, and I found out later it was Mom, and I realized I was laying on the ground. My legs felt like they were burning over what I'm told was the next hour or so. My vision slowly comes back, and followed by my hearing, and I only remember bits and pieces up until we got to the hospital, and Mama eventually told me everything once I could hear her again. Dad and I had been hit by lightning. The bolt left a scar on the ground where we were standing. Dad got hit worse than I did. Doctor said the bolt landed close enough to me that the expanding outwards energy surged through the ground and hit me, through my shoes and into my eyes. We both had lightning burns. 5-year-old me panicked. I thought I had just lost my dad because I didn't see him in my room. But I had missed the part where Dad was simply in a different room. Missed it due to the fact that my hearing wasn't back to 100%. I broke as a person during that moment. It's the only way I can describe it. Hey, don't hug me that tightly. I couldn't function when the storms came about after that. I took counseling after one of my teachers noticed I was paralyzed in fear in class. I had to be carried to the nurse's office because I was scared to the point that I couldn't move my legs. I very literally know what it means to be scared stiff. I'm sorry I didn't talk to you about this sooner. It's been over 10 years since it happened, and I thought I was finally over it. Thank you. I think I can only function right now because you're holding me. I'm sorry for being such a mood kill. I'll be better next.
Mm-hmm.
And that's just cheating. You may say so, but I don't feel fine at all. It's a storm, and I'm inside my own home. I should... Now, hang on a minute. You might want to take that one back. Every time I try to attack myself, I'm getting shushed by a kiss. That is so getting abused. If... Okay, I get it. You are hugging a little too tightly, though. Could you loosen up just a little bit? Thank you. Thank you for this. Normally, my reactions last well past the storm. In a weird way, I need to thank the lightning this time. I got to see just how protective you could get. It's rather adorable, as if I didn't already have enough reasons to love you. Sometimes I think I don't deserve you. Am I okay now? I'm probably gonna be a bit shaky for a few hours. I'm definitely going to use you like a teddy bear tonight, though. No matter your complaints. Not that I think you would mind all too much. You a wizard or something? I'm the other person to be able to get my reactions under control as fast as my dad. You can cast calm emotions. Look, we weren't playing Dungeons and Dragons just now, okay? That being said, I'm so impatient for Baldur's Gate 3, I want to be a monk and punch things already. Oh, right, I was making pizza. No, it's not in the oven yet, so it's not burning if we stay a little bit longer. Thank goodness, and, thank you for, well, a lot of things, really. Too many to count at this point. After dinner, can we, do this again? At least till I get under, control? Good. Thank you. Mwah. Though now, we should probably get the pizzas in the oven. I do want to eat at some point, and then I'll probably just cuddle up to you and pass out whenever this happens. No, I'm not giving you a say. That's happening. I demand you dote over me. So, what do we want to do tonight? Any low-intensity ideas? You what? Wait, you found that really old Minecraft world we made together, like, ages ago? And you were saving it for a birthday surprise. I spent an unhealthy amount of time on that map. You just want to go exploring then. See all the new stuff, and sure. But let's get pizza done first. No more distractions, and I'll try to, in the loop about my reactions to the storms, specifically lightning ones, though, rainfall and dark skies don't affect me. Thank you, again, for quickly dragging me out of, wherever my mind goes when that happens. Oh, shut up, clouds. I've had enough of you already. Now, how long did I put this pizza in for?